Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on HP Pavilion warranty issues and what steps to take if your device is declared non-reparable. In this video, we will cover essential tools, typical problems, and how to handle warranty claims effectively. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. For most HP Pavilion devices, you will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent electrostatic discharge. These tools are crucial for safely opening your device and performing any necessary inspections. Begin by ensuring your HP Pavilion is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if it's removable. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Most HP models have at least 6 to 10 screws, which may vary in size. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing them in a container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. If you notice any debris or dust, now is a good time to clean the internals. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and other components. This can help improve the performance and longevity of your laptop. After cleaning, inspect all internal components. Look for any loose connections, especially around the battery and motherboard. If everything appears intact but you're still facing issues, it may be time to consider professional help. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can understand your options without commitment. If your HP Pavilion is still under warranty, check the warranty terms carefully. Generally, if the device is deemed non-reparable, you can request a replacement. However, if the warranty has expired or the damage is not covered, you may need to explore other options. If you don't have the tools or expertise to perform these checks yourself, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device assessed without the hassle of going out. Plus, with our service, there are no calls and no travel required. If you decide to have your HP Pavilion repaired, you should always ask for a quote before repair. This ensures transparency and helps you make an informed decision based on your budget. Our team will provide a detailed estimate so you know exactly what to expect. In summary, understanding your HP Pavilion's warranty and knowing how to handle a non-reparable situation is crucial. From gathering the right tools to considering professional help, every step plays a role in ensuring you get the best outcome for your device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check our services for hassle-free solutions. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.